Welcome to section number 4, and let's talk about content curation and productivity hacks to save time. So first of all, what is content curation? And look at this number 1 bullet. It's a process of sorting through a large amount of web content to find the best and most meaningful content in an organized and valuable way. And then check this number 2 out. Content curation is not creating new content like we saw in the last section. It's the act of discovering, compiling, and sharing existing content with your online social media followers. And this is what the content curation process looks like. In step number 1, you locate and find relevant and engaging content relevant to your business and curate that in one place, and then share that content to your social media channels for your audience. So why should we care about content curation? Number 1 reason is you provide extra value for your social media followers by providing more content. And also, when you share, they share. If you share other people's content on your social media channels, they will return the favor and help you increase your reach, engagement, and also fans and followers on social media. It also helps you in becoming an expert or authority in your niche and in building relationships. Here are some time-saving tips for content curation. First of all, don't Google search, find, and post on the day of posting content on your channels. That's what I used to do, and I used to waste a lot of time. Instead of that, you want to use the right tools to curate content, and I will share several in this lecture. You want to quickly scan and post on your social media channels. And take the time and set up the tools only once. And here are my favorite tools for content curation. And like other type of tools, there are hundreds of content curation tools out there. These are the ones that I have used and I like the most. Number 1 is Feedly, Twitter Lists, Pocket, Paper.ly, Scoop.it. And I will show you some of these tools in action in this section. And I want to share this with you real quick. I save 25 minutes per client per week by using this content curation process. And this is what my old process used to look like. On the day of posting to my clients' social media channels, I would go to Google and search something relevant to their industry. I would scan and find relevant articles, post on social media, and repeat for every single client. And my new process is this. My go-to tool these days is Feedly. I have created different folders and categories for each client. I can quickly scan, find, and share content for each client. So essentially, content comes to me instead of me having to go and find the content and wasting a lot of time. Do you have any questions so far on content curation process, tools, or any other topics that I have covered in this course? If you do, please add them to the discussion section and I will make sure to respond to all of your questions. And now let's see some of these content curation tools in action.